Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone X9c Smart 5G with elegant and exquisite design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display with 6.8 inches Full HD plus punch hole magic capsule display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 389 ppi pixel. Density, 850 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with drop-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 108 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.75, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 16 megapixel centered punch hole wide angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 8.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra, 6nm chipset, paired with IMGBXM8256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 256GB of onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.98 by 75.8 by 7.88 mm, and it weighs around 193 grams, and the color options, moon, light white, midnight black, ocean cyan colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5800 mAh battery, with 35-watt superfast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with monospeaker support, USB Type-C charging port, AI eraser for removing objects, triple-layer waterproof design support, and NFC supported market dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X9c Smart 5G has been priced for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 899 Malaysian ringgits. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Honor X9c Smart 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.